I. I in English is without. Without. And I cannot make sense without a verb attached to it. Right? For example, if we say I plus soon, which then give you Àìsùn. And to soon is to sleep. And it's the same word as sleeping, is the same word as slept, right? In Yoruba, because everything happens in the present. So sleep, sleeping, slept is soon. So if you then say Àìsùn, that's without sleep. And that's the word for vigil. Àìsùn, vigil. Now, to keep vigil, right, is to do vigil. Now, and to do in Yoruba is she. So if you then say she plus Àìsùn. So, and when two verbs follow each other in Yoruba, you take the one that is next to the first consonant. Then that's where you get the word sha. Àìsùn from. So she Àìsùn will give you Àìsùn. So if you say I want to keep vigil, you are saying mo fẹ́ ṣe àìsùn, or you just go by mo fẹ́ ṣe àìsùn. Right. So do you want to go to vigil? Ṣé o fẹ́ lọ sí àìsùn? That means you're going to àìsùn. The noun. Then if you want to do it, the action of it is ṣe àìsùn or ṣàìsùn. Right. So when did you go to vigil yesterday? Nígbà wo lo lọ sí àìsùn lánàá? Right. So did you keep vigil yesterday? Ṣé o ṣe àìsùn lánàá? Right. So do you like vigil? Ṣé o fẹ́ràn àìsùn? Right. I don't like to go to vigil. Mi ò fẹ́ràn láti máa lọ sí àìsùn. Right. So I want you to give me 3 words. 3 sentences in Yoruba with either àìsùn or to do it, ṣàìsùn. Boom.